Disasters don't wait. When water rises, will you be ready? Storms can be scary and watching days of rain can be unnerving. Keep up to date with weather reports. Check on family and friends. Never drive through standing water. Just 6 inches can stall your car. Or sweep it away. If you see water, turn around. Check your basement or lower level often during heavy rain. Don't wait until your furnace isn't working and there are inches of standing water. If you have a sump pump, check to make sure it is working before the rains and keep monitoring. Elevate electronics and valuables in flood-prone areas. If you don't want it damaged, then move it. Know your risk. Check FEMA.gov to see if you're in a flood zone. Use sandbags to protect low windows and doors before it's too late. Most home and renters policies don't cover floods. You might need a separate policy. Don't wait to find out after a flood. Prepared beats panic. A few phone calls and a little preparation goes a long way. And if you see flooding or unsafe conditions, report them to local authorities. You may be saving someone else's life. These pictures were taken by Sheila Barrett in Louisville, Kentucky in 2009. Hit subscribe and stay tuned for more smart tips, rental updates and timeless advice, straight from the tube. These rare flood photographs were found tucked inside a family photo album. Likely taken along River Road in Louisville, Kentucky, they capture a moment in time when the Ohio River swelled beyond its banks. Though we aren't sure which flood this was, the boat in the second photo suggests it could date back to the early 20th century. The bridges and buildings offer a haunting reminder of how powerful nature can be, and how high the water once rose. Flooding isn't new. A powerful reminder that high water has always been part of our story. But today we have the tools to prepare, protect, and stay safe.